Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can separate first name and last name in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened my Google Sheets, and as you can see, I have prepared my data in this Google Sheets document. For example, I'm going to separate this full name to the first name and last name. First of all, I'm going to copy all the full names I have. I'm going to paste it right here, and then I'm going to go to the data option, and then select the split text to column, and we have to choose the separator. I'm going to choose the space, so the full name will be separated by space. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the full name have been separated to the first name and the last name. Alright guys, and that's all the way to separate first name and last name in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.